So what if a single initiative has a capacity to increase the active investor base in Pakistan by at least 20%? And that is what PIB committee and ICAP leadership has done along with Investors Lounge. It's a homegrown story. 2 years back, we came with a venture capital firm that is also a listed company at Pakistan Stock Exchange, Cordova Logistics and Ventures. So it's a listed company. We said there is a problem in Pakistan. There is low investor base. And if you compare even the same sized markets in the region, the investor base is very, very low and it's very alarming. And we sat down, we said, what's the problem? Problem is not with the economy as such. So इस तरह की दूसरी economies में भी investor base कम से कम इसका 3x 4x होता है, कम से कम. तो पाकिस्तान में क्या मसला है? So we came to the conclusion कि the trading and simulation system are of old age, number one. नंबर 2, कोई कंसर्टेड एफर्ट इम्पार्शल तरीके से नेशनल स्केल पे नहीं हुआ टेक्नोलॉजी पे लेवरेज करते हुए. देयर हैज नॉट बीन अ सिंगल इंस्टेंस. सम ब्रोकरेज हाउसेस, सम इन्वेस्टमेंट मैनेजमेंट कंपनीज डू इट इन साइलोज. Pakistan Stock Exchange has started doing it wonderfully. But the problem is, Pakistan Stock Exchange core business is not simulation. So it has to be focused upon, and we need to develop that. And we went to this venture capital firm and we raised money. And then we went to ICAP, Sabila Siddiqui Saab, EIB committee members, and we all sat down and we said, let's try and build a prototype and let's test it out in the market. So we developed a platform जहाँ पे आप सीख सकते हैं stock exchange के बारे में, आसान उर्दू ज़बान में tutorials हैं, plus there is a world class simulator जिसके तहत आप वही learnings simulated environment में test कर सकते हैं. And then we gamified and simulated the whole system and brought that at par with some of the international platforms like IQ auctions and other international platforms. जो कि पाकिस्तान, by the way, everybody would be very surprised was ICAP members बड़े वो थे हैरान कि जो actual trading system है पाकिस्तान में, ये simulator system उससे 10 गुना ज़्यादा advanced था, at least 10 गुना ज़्यादा advanced I would say. So when you look at the trading system, you will realize that fact. So ये सब चीज़ें जब हमने बना के समीला सिद्दीकी साहब के साथ और IPIB कमेटी, मुर्तज़ा एंड ऑल द ICAP मेंबर्स, हमने इसको टेस्ट करना शुरू हुआ. The results were staggering. Around 20,000 trades were executed by ICAP members. उसमें there was some of the biggest CFOs as well, some director level officials as well, some regulators as well. 1.1 billion was the number of shares that were traded on the simulator. And there was very interesting observations that we observed. Everybody who was trading there in the simulator, he was learning whether he was making money or not. He was interested enough to click the open live account button. This is an interesting observation. ये एक माइक्रो ट्रेंड है कि अगर आप लोगों को आसान जबान में चीज सिखाएं और उनको नेशन वाइड एक्टिविटी से ऑनलाइन सिमुलेशन के थ्रू उनको एक एनवायरनमेंट में डालें, तो वो जनरली कैश बेस कुछ ना कुछ लॉन्ग टर्म में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. जबकि पाकिस्तान स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि आप SIP बना के लॉन्ग टर्म में इन्वेस्ट करें. और इतने ऑब्वियसली फॉर द पास्ट 6 to 7 years द रिटर्न्स हैव नॉट बीन रियली गुड, बट जब आप देखिए इसको SIP पे कन्वर्ट करके एंड यू एक्सटेंड इट ओवर 10 to 15 years, देन द रिजल्ट्स आर स्टिल स्टैगरिंग डिस्पाइट द फैक्ट देयर इज लो वैल्यूएशन. So the problem can be solved. So ICAP में members and student body के अंदर around 45,000 students हैं सभी साहब. So this 45,000 students, they are your potential investors. They are tech savvy as well. They understand finance as well, and they are interested to even start an SIP, even start through mutual funds. They can take their leap forward, and this market is yet to be tapped into. This is how you can increase at least this investor base by 20%. This has been done, tested, and it's time to scale. We have tested the systems, we have seen the staggering response as well, we have improved the criteria as well, and Sami Saab ki leadership mein, and then ICAP ki Dr. Saiba aapki leadership mein, and all PIB committee members, they all were very enthusiastic about it. तो ये चीज मुमकिन है और ये हो सकती है. It's very surprising कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर illegal platforms पे millions of users हैं. According to some estimates, over 9 million crypto investors exist in Pakistan, while investors in Pakistan Stock Exchange are 300,000, जिस तरह मैडम ने बताया. And you'll be surprised to note कि around 45,000 pension investors हैं पाकिस्तान के, 45,000 ने privately pension accounts open किए हैं. Around 34,000 commodities and forex investors exist in Pakistan, and mutual funds around 450,000. While crypto has over 9 million, and illegal forex has also crossed over 2 million. So this is a huge gap. ये कैपेसिटी है ICAP के अंदर और हमारे अंदर कि हम इसको नेशन वाइड एक्सपेंड कर सकते हैं. समीला सिद्दीकी साहब हैज प्रूव दैट. ICAP की कमिटीज ने, मेंबर्स ने इसको प्रूव किया है. And over the past 2 years we have done that. It's not just like 1 month exercise. We've gone through continuous hard work to make it happen. And we are looking forward to scale that very far with your support, with your guidance, with your help. We think we can do that. There is a structural approach we have taken towards the increase in investor base. You have, जिस तरह आपने mention किया कि there is a chicken and egg problem, कि पहले investor आएगा, पहले market grow होगी. जबकि अगर आप खुद उठा के देख लें लिस्टेड कंपनीज के शेयर होल्डर बेस में, तो अगर आप शेयर होल्डर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बढ़ा दें, छोटे छोटे शेयर होल्डर ज्यादा हो जाएं, तो वैल्यूएशन खुद ही ऊपर चली जाए. दैट्स हाउ डेवलपिंग मार्केट्स हैव ग्रोन एक्चुअली. इन्वेस्टर बेस ज्यादा था, बेस अच्छी बनी, तो प्राइस में फ्लक्चुएशन कम आई, मैनिपुलेशन के चांसेस कम हो गए, तो ग्रेजुअली गवर्नेंस के साथ मार्केट्स इंप्रूव हुए. इट्स टाइम टू इंप्रूव Pakistan Stock Exchange now as well, and things are shaping up really well. We are absolutely honored, madam, that you have come here. Mr. Saib, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि आप आए. Every player in this competition is a winner, and Samila Siddiqui साहब, let's get ready to take it on a national scale. We are looking forward to support you. Thank you so much.